If you want to invest in digital currencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, there are a lot of technical terms you need to understand. However, knowing some common words will help you understand the risks and rewards of these investments. This is why we've put together a list of essential crypto terms you need to know before you invest. This will also help those who are already invested and want to learn more about this exciting space. 1. Token. A token is a representation of a digital asset. Tokens are used on the blockchain or distributed ledger of the parent cryptocurrency. Tokens can be built on top of other blockchains, such as Ethereum. There are many different tokens you might encounter when researching cryptocurrencies, such as utility tokens and security tokens. Utility tokens provide access to a product or service, while security tokens represent ownership in an asset, like shares in a company or real estate. 2. Smart contract. A smart contract is a contract that is automatically executed when the conditions are met. This means that there is no chance for fraud, since everyone involved can see the code and verify it. Smart contracts are great for agreements like ICOs, where one party needs to know that the terms of the agreement will not change once the investment is made. 3. ICO, Initial Coin Offering. An ICO is a way to raise money for a new cryptocurrency venture. Investors buy tokens in exchange for money. The tokens are a way to show ownership of the project, and they can later be traded on exchanges. Many ICOs are scams, but some are very successful. Be careful when investing in an ICO. 4. Proof of work. Proof of work helps to keep a blockchain network fair and transparent by verifying transactions and releasing new Bitcoin into the system. It can be time-consuming and energy-intensive, but this is one way to make sure that the network is secure. 5. Proof of stake. Proof of stake is a way of verifying transactions and distributing new tokens in a blockchain. This is different from proof of work, which is used by many other blockchains and cryptocurrencies. POS works by requiring validators to lock up some of their own tokens in order to participate. The more tokens a validator has locked up, the more transactions they can confirm. So, if a validator is not acting honestly, they will lose their stake. 6. POW versus POS. The POW versus POS debate is going on in the cryptocurrency community. POW is an algorithm that requires a lot of energy to run, but it is very secure. POS, on the other hand, uses less energy but is not as secure. 7. Hashing. Hashing is a way to organize data into a fixed length. This is done using an algorithm, and this results in a unique fingerprint for the data. When someone verification the data, they are comparing the original fingerprint to the newly calculated fingerprint. This is how blockchain networks verify transactions and create new tokens. Hash power is the amount of computing power a miner brings to the network. Hash rate is the number of hashes the network is able to calculate each second. 8. Distributed ledger technology. A distributed ledger is a type of database that is decentralized. This means that the ledger is not controlled by one central party. Instead, it is stored across multiple computers. This makes it difficult for anyone to tamper with the data. The first distributed ledger was created in 2009. Since then, there have been many different types of distributed ledgers created. A blockchain is a specific type of distributed ledger. 9. Merged mining. Merged mining is a way to combine the verification efforts of two different networks. This allows small, new networks to have a lot of hashing power and security, which is important when the network is small. Conclusion. In this video, we talked about some of the terms you might hear when investing in cryptocurrencies. This is an exciting new sector that is still growing, so it's important to be up to date on the lingo. When you invest in a cryptocurrency, it's like buying a piece of digital gold. This is a new kind of money that isn't backed by governments or banks, and it can be valuable because it's rare and it can be used to buy things online. But like any other investment, it's important to do your research before you buy. Thanks for watching.